Becoming a parent is one of life's most profound experiences, filled with joy, love, and countless new challenges. However, the arrival of children often brings significant changes to a relationship, sometimes straining the bond between partners. Balancing the demands of parenting with maintaining a strong partnership requires intentional effort, communication, and a shared commitment to each other. Prioritize communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any strong relationship, and it becomes even more crucial after kids enter the picture. The daily hustle of parenting can make it easy for partners to drift apart, often unintentionally. Regular check-ins where you discuss your feelings, concerns, and the day-to-day challenges can help you stay connected. It's essential to listen actively to each other, showing empathy and understanding. Remember, it's not just about talking, but also about being heard. Schedule quality time together. Once children arrive, finding time for just the two of you can seem impossible. However, carving out regular, dedicated time for each other is vital. This doesn't have to be extravagant or time-consuming. A simple date night, a walk together, or even enjoying a quiet cup of coffee can do wonders. The key is consistency. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine, just as you would any other important commitment. Share parenting responsibilities. One of the common sources of tension in relationships after having children is the unequal distribution of parenting duties. Both partners should feel like they are contributing equally, whether that's in caring for the kids, managing the household, or balancing work responsibilities. Open discussions about expectations and responsibilities can prevent resentment from building up. When both partners feel supported, they are more likely to feel connected and valued. Maintain intimacy. Intimacy often takes a back seat when kids come along, but it's an essential part of a strong partnership. While physical intimacy is important, emotional intimacy should also be nurtured. Find ways to reconnect that work for both of you. This might mean getting creative with your time together, being affectionate in small but meaningful ways, or simply taking the time to remind each other why you fell in love in the first place. Be a team. Approach parenting as a team effort. Instead of seeing it as my way versus your way, work together to find solutions that work for both of you. This team mentality extends beyond parenting decisions. Apply it to all areas of your relationship. When you face challenges together, it strengthens your bond and helps you grow closer rather than pulling you apart. Support each other's personal growth. Even after becoming parents, it's important to continue growing as individuals. Encourage each other to pursue hobbies, interests, and personal goals outside of parenting. When both partners feel fulfilled individually, they are better equipped to contribute positively to the relationship. Supporting each other's personal growth fosters mutual respect and admiration, which can keep your connection strong. Seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in seeking outside help if you're struggling to maintain your relationship after having kids. A therapist or counselor can provide tools and strategies to help you navigate this challenging time. Sometimes an objective third party can offer insights that you might not see on your own. Early intervention can prevent small issues from becoming bigger problems down the road. Celebrate the small wins. Parenting is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's important to celebrate the small victories along the way. Acknowledge each other's efforts, whether it's handling a particularly challenging day, managing a difficult situation with the kids, or simply making it through the week. These small celebrations reinforce the idea that you're in this together, and they keep the positive energy flowing in your relationship. Keep the long view in mind. In the midst of parenting chaos, it's easy to get bogged down in the day-to-day challenges. However, it's important to remember that this phase of life is temporary. Keeping the long view in mind can help you navigate the tough times with a little more grace and patience. Remind each other that your relationship is a foundation that will outlast the intense early years of parenting, and that investing in it now will pay off in the long run. Embrace flexibility. Life with kids is unpredictable, and rigid expectations can lead to frustration and disappointment. Embrace flexibility in your relationship, allowing for changes in plans, adapting to new routines, and being willing to go with the flow. This adaptability can reduce stress and keep your partnership strong, even in the face of the unexpected challenges that parenting inevitably brings. Keeping your relationship strong after having kids is not always easy, but it's undoubtedly worth the effort. By prioritizing communication, spending quality time together, sharing responsibilities, maintaining intimacy, working as a team, supporting personal growth, seeking help when needed, celebrating small wins, keeping the long view in mind, and embracing flexibility, you can navigate the challenges of parenting without sacrificing the strength of your partnership. Remember, a strong relationship between parents is one of the greatest gifts you can give your children, providing them with a secure and loving environment in which to thrive.